Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with the tune-up report for Andy in the Carolinas on this Lincoln 2. Andy, get it ready to go for you, bud. Voltage regulator upgrade, ERF2030 plus upgrade in the final section. It's ready to go. RF power all the way down, 5-watt slug, half a watt like you requested. Roll it up, 5 watts like you requested. Let's go here to average power swing, 50-watt slug. Low, 24 bird. Peak power, low, exceeding 50 watts. Alright, Andy, it's rough and tough and ready to come to you from your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump bump.